Hello and welcome to the Old World Garage channel.
Hey guys, it's Elvis speaking. I have here my 1993 Mercedes W124. I use this car as daily driver for many years. It's in a very good shape, as you can see. I just love this interior. I think it's so epic quality. It's so nice to look at, and it feels so good. I show you from the back side. Sadly, this car has no electrical windows in the back. Quite funny because it goes a very expensive 4Matic system in it, which I think it costs like 15,000 Swiss francs back in the year. It's an original Swiss car with a sunroof. Yeah, I've been enjoying it very much. Yeah, and it's sold now to Germany. Thanks for watching.